Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Alkaline solution of copper, I, chloride, ammoniacal cuprous chloride, Cu2Cl2 in NH3, is a selective reagent that reacts with terminal alkynes, acetylides, to form a red brick-red precipitate of copper acetylide. It does not react with alkenes or alkanes under these conditions. Moving on to the next step. Identify each component and its reactivity with ammoniacal CuCl. C2H6, ethane saturated alkane, no reaction with ammoniacal CuCl. Passes through. C2H4, ethylene alkene, no terminal alkyne CH bond, no reaction with ammoniacal CuCl. Passes through. C2H2, acetylene terminal alkyne, reacts with ammoniacal CuCl to form copper, I, acetylide, Cu2C2, a red precipitate. Gets absorbed retained in the Wolff's bottle. Moving on to the next step. Determine what comes out. Since C2H2 is absorbed by the reagent, forms precipitate, only C2H6 and C2H4 pass through and come out as the exiting gas mixture. And for the final step, evaluate options. A. Original mixture, incorrect, C2H2 is removed. B. C2H6 only, incorrect, C2H4 also passes through. C. C2H6 and C2H4 mixture, correct, both alkane and alkene are unreactive toward ammoniacal CuCl and come out together. D. C2H4 and C2H2 incorrect, C2H2 is retained and C2H6 should also come out. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.